Hi guys, Kip here with Thousands of Roots. Today we are working on the add-on. We're going to give you some updates on what's been done in the add-on, where we're at with this whole project, and specifically the wall boards that we're working on. Let me show you the wall boards I'm talking about. Alright, so the area that we're working on is a pantry. This whole thing is a pantry for the add-on. And the wall boards we've completed are this whole side here. What we're hoping to do today is this side. What we've done already is we got the angle board on the very top there, and then just the second one down. So we need to just come down with the wall boards there, then put all the wall boards on this back wall, and then the two little strips right here at the doorway. So the flooring in here, this whole add-on is very unlevel. So what we're doing is we're putting a skim coat kind of on top just to make it more flat. We're not trying to totally level it. We're just trying to make it flat enough for this corkboard flooring to go on top of this. We've experimented in the family closet in there with one type, and then in the pantry with another type. And the type in the pantry is what we're going to go with. We have a friend, a very talented guy, working on this. So there's only this little section left here, right here, to complete the pantry. And you can see the difference. He's probably only putting 1/4 of an inch here to get this flat enough. Some spots it's 1/4 of an inch, some spots less. So this is what we're doing to complete to get the floor ready for the corkboard flooring to go on top of this. And we're focusing on the pantry first because we can start immediately using this area for food storage, which that's a big deal, food storage. Alright, so something we did to get ahead here. We finally finished the ceiling board up here that was missing from the rework that was done. And what I did to get ahead was I'd cut these angle pieces because the ceiling is slanted. So we got the angle cuts done and I put that up there. So now it's going to be easy, just flat boards going down. So we got ahead by doing that in that spot, and then we did it one more time at another spot. Let me show you where that is. That board there also has that angle cut. So now it's just flat boards coming down. And we're just about to start to fill this wall. So what you doing over here, Critter?
Well, me and Esther are trying to fill in these cracks.
What are you filling the cracks in with?
Clay. We straight clay from here, extra little spots of clay, and fold it.
Oh, okay. Cool. Nice. Measure, mark, and cut.
This one is a lot more weight than that is.
Push home. Good. Okay, we're good. Get our measurement. 72 inches. Okay, go back. Back your way. Whoop, whoop, stop. Okay, lift it up a little bit. There you go. Alright, push it on. Good. Good job, dude. Yeah. Alright. Right there. Looks pretty good. Could go a teeny bit more like that. So, it's pretty done. Yay!
Yay! The whole wall's
How
done.
much different is it in here?
Yeah.
Good job, you guys.
Thanks.
Woohoo! Good teamwork.
Yeah.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
It does. So this is definitely gonna hold a lot of food, huh?
Yeah.
Ladybug. We're gonna be able to store our onions and garlic and sweet taters and winter squash in here from the garden, along with some extra just dry food storage. So we hope it'll stay fairly cool in here all year long. Probably in the summer it won't be super cool, but we won't have a lot of those crops to store in the middle of the summer anyway. So come fall it'll cool down and hopefully it'll keep those crops good through the winter.
Yeah. Okay, so a couple of the plumbing changes that's happened is this pipe right here. This is our clean out or pre-rinse. This used to be inside the add-on. This big black valve here, when it's shut off, just like it is now, water backs up through this because this catches all of our rainwater off of our main roof. Rainwater fills up through this, keeps going there, and then ends up going into our tank. Now this one just to the right is actually an overflow. So when our main tank in here, this tank in here is a 1,500 gallon rainwater catchment tank. When it fills up, this will overflow down this pipe here. And then we're going to put an elbow on it here and then take the water out there. Bit by bit, step by step. Little by little, we are making progress here.
Alright guys, that's pretty much it for the add-on update. And for those who don't know, that's just one of 5 of our goals for this year, 2020, here on the homestead. And one of our other goals was to get our swale and pond systems all fixed up and in order. So we've been working on the duck area. Caleb's been, ooh, the sun just came out. Caleb's been using the well to help fill the pond, and that's going really well. We're hoping that the ducks' manure will help to seal because it wasn't holding water very well. As it continues to fill through the rains that we have, and then Caleb using the well, it's holding water more and more each time, so that's good. The boys also planted some more apple trees, but we did run out of fencing, so we haven't been able to complete the apple trees here in the little orchard by the pond. We also transplanted our Jerusalem artichokes from our kitchen garden out to the side of the pond, and those are doing well. There's one of the new Khaki Campbell ducklings. They're doing really well. Caleb had a lot of fun this morning watching one of the new Khaki Campbell ducks duck diving. She just kept duck diving over and over again, so he ran and got the camera and went out and got some shots of her. Ducks are just so fun to watch. Well, I think that's about it for today. There are so many other updates. I will say real quick, 2 of our cows went to a new home, Coco and her bull calf Button. They went to some friends just up the road, so they're at a new place, getting lots of wonderful pasture there on their land. And so that leaves us with just 5 cows, which is a lot better for the size pastures that we have. We have our bull and 2 milk cows, and then their 2 calves. Alright, so we hope you're all staying well. We pray blessings over you and yours. And whatever you do, do it with your whole heart.